Hey y'all, today we're gonna make Atole de Elote. And Atole de Elote is super popular in the Salvadorian culture. But I grew up drinking this. It was super delicious. So we're gonna start by preparing our corn. We're gonna take the peel off and remove the kernels. This is the best way that I know to remove the kernels. So we're going to remove the kernels on one side, then fold it over. And then we're going to continue that, folding it over and over till we remove all the kernels all over the corn, and then we cut it in half, and that is it. And that is how you do that corn. So I'm going to continue the process and get all the kernels out of the corn cob. And I love this drink. This drink is so good. It's kind of like a champurrado, but instead of it being like a chocolate, champurrado is kind of it's made of chocolate. So instead of it being chocolate, it is made of corn, which is super good. And we're just going to throw everything in a pot, add some water, add just a teeny bit of salt. And we're going to add some sugar. I used piloncillp sugar. It's evaporated cane sugar. It's vegan friendly, so I like to use that one. With a cinnamon stick. Once everything has boiled, we're going to remove all the kernels by straining it. And then we're just going to add very little, like a cup of liquid, to blend it, because it's very dangerous. It's really hot. Put a towel on top of the blender before you blend it, and let's go. We blend it, we put it back into the pot where the rest of the mixture is, and then we're going to simmer that, add some condensed milk, and then your slurry, and we're going to stir that up until it's nice and thick. And I'm going to add just a little bit more non-dairy milk just to make it a little slightly less thick. I kind of like it on the runny side. But if you like it thick, just, don't add any more liquid. But there you have it. El Atole de Elote is ready. Super easy to make. Great way to use up your corn. Great way to buy corn, use up corn in season. I just love this. Even in the summer. Well, there you have it, friends. Another recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stick around for more, friends. Catch it on the next one. Oh my god, this Atole de Elote was so tasty. I cannot believe how tasty it was. I slept like a baby.